Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here one of the latest smartwatch from DT number 1, and it is also one of the wearable with the support for offline map, GPS, and of course a very long standby time. On this video, we are going to check this wearable. We'll have the unboxing, review of its specs, design, and UI. So this is the KKTICK Tank T5 smartwatch, an outdoor style smartwatch with a built-in GPS and with support for offline map. So we are going to check some of the details about this smartwatch. Let's see if it has a very good features or it has a very good design as well as specs and its UI. So if you are interested to know more about this new smartwatch from DT number 1, the Tank T5, watch this video. And if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, subscribe, like, and share. Alright, so let's start and explore this outdoor smartwatch, the KKTICK Tank T5. And as you can see here, it has a very good packaging. So simple design here, AMOLED screen. We do have some details about its ruggedness. So we have certified 3 ATM waterproof, certified military grade, drop tested, and as you can see here, rugged design with a built-in GPS. At the back, we have some details here. So it has support for TWS earphone, we have Bluetooth calling, multi-sports mode, GPS system, and with a 4 GB of memory. I'm interested on this one. Seems like you can store, I think you can store some files or audio files with the smartwatch. At the back, we do have the QR code for the support app. So it is using a new app, as you can see here, the Wear Joy app. Okay, so simple packaging, but I think it's durable. It's good. It gives the wearable a premium feel. Next, let's check out the contents of the box. So what are the accessories included in the smartwatch or in this box aside from the smartwatch? So KKTICK Tank T5, built tough, engineered for adventure. Let's remove this. So it has some multiple protection here for your wearable. Aside from the packaging, we have a foam here to protect the smartwatch. So the strap is already attached. Again, we have a smartwatch with the strap attached. We have, what do we have here? A user manual and a charging cable. Then still have some accessories here. So we have a sporty strap here. Then we have another one. Nice. We have a premium looking stainless steel, I think, or steel strap for our smartwatch. Very good so far. Okay, I'm impressed with the contents here. Again, the KKTICK Tank T5. So the package contents are, we have at least 2 straps free. We have the charging cable that can be used, I think, as a transfer cable for the smartwatch, as you can see here. USB type A. We have the user manual. We have the QR code here, and it's available in English. And of course, the smartwatch with the strap attached. Overall, we have at least 3 straps attached to the smartwatch. I am more excited or interested on the strap for our smartwatch. We'll try to attach this on our next video. And of course we have here the smartwatch. Let's remove the cover here with a stainless steel buckle. Next, let's explore the design of the wearable. For the design, let's put this aside first so it will not distract us from checking the smartwatch. Let's remove the plastic protection. This one, we still have a plastic attached on the sensor. GPS. Remove this. We can check out the display here. Nice. It's a beautiful looking smartwatch. Based on the specification, it has a metal body frame. Yes, it has a metal body frame. The back, I think it is also metal here. The back, it's not a PC material. Overall, including the bezel here, I think it's all made of metal, including the buttons here. It's really built for outdoors. And based on the buttons here, I think this is push button. The other one, it is also a rotary button at the same time. So it's a beautiful looking smartwatch here. We have a flexible silicone strap that is breathable. Very soft. I think it's comfortable to wear. And we have a stainless steel buckle. Again, let's have a closer look at the design. We have a GPS here. I think we have the black color. Full metal body frame, including the bezel, the physical button here, the middle frame, and the back cover, except I think for the sensor here. But overall, it shouts premium, it shouts durability. So the durability here, based on the packaging, so the packaging states that we have a certified ATM 3 ATM waterproof rated, certified military grade drop tested. It is a rugged smartwatch built for outdoors. Next, we'll check the dimension of the wearable. So after the design, let's check out the dimension of the smartwatch. So let's check first the size of the body frame. So we have 49.5. I think if you're going to measure it on the middle without the strap, we will get a 50.0 millimeter. Okay, for the thickness without the sensor, so it is around 15, right? And of course the strap, so we'll just estimate it here. So it is, again, maybe it's 24. Again, for the strap, so I think it's 24 if we're going to measure it here on the edge. If we will remove the strap, I think it is around 24. And of course, for the weight with the strap attached, so it is around 80. It's a bit heavy due to the thickness of the wearable and of course the material. So 80.31 or 80 grams when it comes to the weight. So it's a bit heavy. As you can see, it has a big body frame but durable body build. All metal here for the bezel, metal for the middle frame and the back cover. And for the specifications, so before we check on the specs, let's turn this on first. Let's see if there's still battery left for the wearable. If not, we'll charge it and we'll get back to you. Okay, it's loading. We have some animated video here, and it's a good thing we still have battery. As you can see, still 100%. Nice. Okay, so for the specs, let's check. So we have, as you can see, an AMOLED screen here. Circular 1.43-inch AMOLED screen with a 4GB of memory here for the storage. For the pixel resolution, it's around 466 by 466 pixel resolution. And we have 860 mAh battery with 20 to 25 days normal usage. You can check it here. One of the longest battery life in smartwatches. Imagine 20 to 25 days. That is just normal usage. It is not the standby time, but normal usage. And if we are talking about the standby time, we have at least 2 months, 60 days of standby time for our Tank T5, the KKTICK Tank T5, and with a 3 ATM waterproof rating. For the sports functions, it is loaded with a comprehensive list of sports. As you can see, multi-sports mode, and with a built-in GPS. Okay, so here are the specs again. 1.43-inch AMOLED, 466 by 466 pixel resolution, 860 mAh battery with a 60 days standby time, 4GB of memory, and a 3 ATM waterproof rated. So here is your KKTICK Tank T5. Next, let's check out the UI of the wearable. On our next video, we'll check the features. So for the UI, you can use the crown button here to change the watch face. There's a lot of beautiful looking watch face here, sporty and animated watch faces. On top, we have the settings here and options. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the side, you can add a module. And to access the main menu, just press the power button. Let's see if we can scroll. Yes, can scroll using the crown button here. So this one, let's see what's the purpose of this. Okay, so it is a sports functions, dedicated button for sports. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI of the KKTICK Tank T5 from DT number 1. Again, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.